Semua yang Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, Mas Tony. Good afternoon, Mr. Tegar, Aldi Setiawan, Fahrul Rahim, Mas Atta, Mbak Nurul. How are you?
Halo, Mister.
Okay. How are you feeling?
Fine, Mister.
Apa? Sorry. How are you feeling, Mr. Dani? I have a cup of coffee.
Yes,
You want it?
coffee.
You want it?
Tombong ngantuk.
Tombong ngantuk. This is the sleepy medicine, ya, sleepy medicine. Tombong ngantuk nih kata Bang Stony tadi ya. Okay, where are the others? Ini belum you all guys haven't sent to me the activity 1 ya and 2.
Udah password.
Really?
Iya, itu kan email itu yang Dewa @itts bukan sih?
Ya benar. Oke, wait. I'll check it. Oh iya, Nurul ya. Nurul, only Nurul and Wendy Hermansah that have been collected the activity, I mean the exercise. Where are the others? Mr. Tegar, Mr.
Oh iya
Doni.
Pak, saya lupa belum kirim ke emailnya Pak. Tapi udah selesai kok Pak.
Udah selesai ya?
Iya.
Oke. Yang lain? Mr. RNA. Siapa RNA nih?
RNA.
RNA, who are you? Oh my God. That's makes my ear uncomfortable, man. Oke, yang belum kirim tugasnya, haven't sent to me the assignment last week. Please, I'm waiting for you now. I'm waiting for your assignment now. Please. Aduh, cahayanya kurang banget ya. Okay, while we are waiting for our friends today, let's begin our class by reciting doa based on your religion. Doa begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Are you ready now, everyone? Are you ready to join the class? Yeah. Tes. That's good. That's good voice. Hello guys, are you ready to join the class now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, you are ready. Of course, you are ready. Okay. In the last meeting, we already learned about opening, yeah, opening in presentation. Am I right? In the last meeting, we already learned about an opening of presentation, right? Okay. Okay, now I want you to recall about the last meeting, an opening in presentation. Mas Tegar. Mas Tegar. Nggak ada ya. Halo Mas Tegar. Mas Singgi.
Ya gimana Pak?
In the last meeting, in the last week, we already learned about opening of presentation. Do you know how to open the presentation? And what are the content in opening of presentations? Mr. Tegar, please answer it. Do you get it? Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean, Mr. Tegar? Or Mr. Rifki, maybe. Mr. Tegar Muhammad Rifki, right? Do you understand what I mean, Mr. Hello? Kok nggak dijawab sih?
Halo, Mr.
Mr. Tegar, I asked you to answer the questions. Halo, kok ngilang?
Kata-kata sinyalnya nggak dapet, Pak.
Sinyalnya nggak dapat.
Iya.
Iya.
How can he doesn't get the signal?
Katanya udah masuk tuh.
Okay. Okay, we move to the other one. Mr. Tegar,
Ya Pak.
you already do you understand what I mean last time?
Oke Pak. Presentasi sama yang kemarin ya Pak? Yang activity. Oh berarti opening presentation dulu berarti langsung ke activity ya? Jadi biar nyambung itu ya?
Ya, openingnya apa? Opening itu apa sih? Pentingnya apa sih opening? How important the opening is in the presentations and what are the content in opening of presentation is?
Oh kemarin saya bikin openingnya doang gitu Pak.
Oh, it's okay. Gak apa-apa. Openingnya itu apa sih opening itu dalam presentasi itu apa sih? Terus kayak mana sih contohnya itu kayak mana gitu. Apa yang harus kita what we should say in the opening, what we should compare to the audience in the opening of presentation. Okay, please, Mr. Tegar, time is yours. Ngilang lagi sinyalnya. Okay, the other one, maybe. Another friends. Mr. Singgi, maybe Mr. Singgi. Welcome back. Welcome to our jungle. Welcome to the class, Mr. Singgi.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Mr. Singgi, do you remember what we already learned in the last meeting? Ayo. Baru nih.
Ikut.
Apa?
Itu membahas itu ya tentang presentasi yang baik.
So how the good presentation? How is a good presentation?
Bagaimana berpenampilan dengan baik, terus menguasai materi.
And then?
Perkenalan.
Okay, introduce yourself to that. Okay, Mr. Singgi, can you practice it? Can you practice it to the class? Can you practice it to the class how to open the presentations? Oh, welcome, Mr. Graceberg, yeah, from morning class.
Good morning.
Okay, please, Mr. Singgi. Only for opening. Only for opening.
Pakai bahasa Inggris.
Of course, you have to use English, right? Our subject is English, right? So we have to speak English. Mr. Singgi, you can read your assignment last week and then present to us. Okay. You can read your assignment. Sudah ngerjain kan?
Belum sih.
Belum. Oke.
Kemarin itu bingung mau ngerjainnya itu ditulis apa gimana, terus dikirim kemana gitu.
Oh, you can ask your other friends, ya. You can ask your friends what should you do in the last meeting. Okay. Okay, now we go to Mr. Miss aja dulu lah. The beautiful one. The beautiful one here is Mrs. Nurul Fauzia. Time is yours.
Ini langsung jawabannya Nurul itu.
Yeah. That you already write in your activity.
Belum dibuka. Bentar. Belum dibuka filenya.
Apa perlu saya yang baca?
Aku buka itu loh.
So I read it by myself, your assignment.
Belum dibuka presentasinya. Filenya Nurul belum dibuka. Iya, aku berat banget. Ya, Sir. Kita pura-pura apa tenang nih, ya ampun.
This is yours. Ini ya. This is Mrs. Nurul's opening of presentation. Oke, Miss Nurul, benar nggak?
Halo?
Is this your? Okay, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Langsung dibacain aja kan, Ustaz?
Yeah, of course. You just read it.
Assalamualaikum. Opening in presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's good to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Fauzia and I'm from Pondok Jagung, Malaysia City. Okay, my friends, in this presentation, we will discuss about how to make the presentation run smoothly and the audience can understand what we are saying. First, I will explain to you about how to make the presentation smoothly and the audience can understand what we are saying. EK is to able to identify the audience first. Then, who will listen to the presentation, work college, and our boss or someone else. Understand what the topic is, whether they really want to listen to it, and what they expect from the presentation, including knowing what the audience is like, so you won't say the wrong thing or sound like you know it. Jadi di sini itu openingnya
you don't need to explain it, yeah. You don't need to explain. Thank you, Mrs. Nurul. Now we have we're gonna analyze this one. We're gonna analyze, which is opening content. The opening is content of greeting the audience, right? Yeah, greeting the audience, welcoming the audience, and also introducing oneself, right? Stating the purpose and the relevance. Okay, the relevance of the topic. Okay, let's analyze Mrs. Nurul's assignment. Let's analyze Mrs. Nurul work. Di sini ada nggak? Greetingnya di mana nih? Greetingnya di mana, guys? Greetingnya ini. Assalamualaikum can be greet ya. Assalamualaikum can be greet. Can be greeting, and I would like to say thank you for coming. This is welcoming the audience, yeah. This is welcoming the audience. No. Okay, this is welcoming the audience. And the next one, let me introduce myself. My name is blah 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 blah. I'm from. Okay, this is introducing oneself. Okay, she introduced herself here. Okay. Perempuan ya, warnanya, masya Allah. Okay, my friend, in this presentation, we will discuss about, this is the purpose, yeah. State the purpose of presentations. State the purpose of presentations, yeah. Okay. First, I will explain to you about how to make the presentation run smoothly and the audience can understand what we are saying. Ini apa? Masuk ke konten ini, masuk ke outlining ini ya, yang kita akan belajar terkait dengan outline. Ini masuk ke outline sebenarnya. First, second, third. The key is to be able to identify. Okay. Jadi the relevance topiknya yang mana, Miss Nurul? Manfaat untuk audiensnya. This is talk about the outline ya. First, second, third itu bagian daripada outline that we gonna learn in this meeting ya. That we gonna learn in this meeting. Oke, yang lain sudah begini belum? Sudah benar belum yang teman-teman yang lain?
Belum, terlalu simpel.
Terlalu simple. Oke, Mr. Wendy, please. Oke. That is so simple, right? So you can do it.
Udah dikipin Pak.
Do it easily, right? He said that this is so simple. Adinda, Miss Adinda, are you here? Are you there?
Sebentar ya, Mister, saya masih di jalan.
Oke. Grassberg, jemput ya.
Kenapa?
Jemput.
Sherlock.
Sherlock.
Gimana Sherlock, Mal?
Kaget banget ada aspek.
Dia mah rajin, dia mah kelas pagi ikut.
Ketua BEM kita dia.
Iya, I know that. I know. Oke. Yang belum selesai tugasnya, silakan diselesaikan ya, nanti kirim ke email. Oke, now today we're gonna learn about outlining and creating an effective presentation. Anyone knows what is outline? Outlining in presentation. You can answer it. Even from morning class, is Mr. Graceberg, or another one from this class, Mr. Wendy, maybe. You can answer it. What is outlining? What is mean by outline? What does it mean by outline? Mr. Wendy, you can answer it.
Yes, outlining, Pak.
Outlining or outline.
Tahu, Pak.
Nggak tahu yang tahu siapa, yo. Apa sih outline itu?
Ini belakang nih.
Mungkin Pak.
Oke, please, Mr. Singgi.
Jalan keluar.
Jalan keluar. Mr. Singgi sit jalan keluar.
Rencana Pak masuk nggak rencana?
Oke, rencana. Oke, jalan keluar, and then rencana, and another one.
Rangkaian ide-ide mungkin Pak.
Rangkaian, siapa yang jawab tadi nih?
Tegar Pak.
Tegar Muhammad Rifki ya. Rangkaian ide-ide ya. Ide-ide yang akan mau dibahas. Oke, another one. Please. Mr. Soleh, Muhammad Soleh. I know you are there.
Yes, sir.
Ayo, outline itu apa sih? Ya.
Mungkin apa ya? Garis besar mungkin, Pak.
Garis besarnya.
Di setiap isi presentasi.
Setiap isi presentasi yang akan dibahas gitu ya.
Betul.
Oke. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Soleh. Next. Siapa nih? Fahrur, Mr. Fahrur, maybe. Please. What is outline?
Topik utama, Pak.
The main topic, ya, the main topic. Okay. It can be another one, maybe. Please, Miss Nurul or Mr. Doni, Mr. Doni.
Halo, sir.
Iya, Mas.
Kerangka tulangnya itu.
Kerangka tulang.
Jadi seperti ide-ide yang dituangkan dalam dalam suatu subjek atau tema.
Oke. Ide-ide yang akan dituangkan dalam satu tema tertentu ya. Oke. Hampir benar semua ya. Dan itu yang paling tepat itu yang tadi tuh Mas Doni bilang dan juga siapa tadi Mas Tegar ya. Rincian daripada topik yang akan kita bahas. Oke? Outline. Why do we need the outline in presentation? Why do we need the outline in presentations? Anyone can answer. We discuss it here. Why do we need to make the outline in presentations? Kenapa sih harus kita buat outline dalam presentasi? Ayo. Mr. Grossberg, why do we need to write the outline in presentation or to convey to the audience the outline of our presentations?
Because without the outline or planning, a presentation will not go too well. Tanpa perancangan atau rangka yang tersusun, presentasi tidak akan berjalan dengan baik.
Okay. Without the outline, the presentation will not run well. Yeah, the presentation will not going well. Okay, so we have to have the outline there. Okay, for example, your topic there, you have your topic, but you have no outline there. So what the audience want to listen from you? Kayak gitu. Jadi, so you have to have the outline to make the audience understood, to make the audience pay attention to you. Okay, that's the purpose of outline. Okay, wait a minute, yeah. This is the outline for our presentation today. This is the outline of our subject today. You can see the example there. We talk about good presentations, right? We talk about good presentation in English. So there is the outline, there. Okay, rinciannya ada di situ. The description there, outlining, and there are two there, outlining and creating an effective presentations. And outlining, there are two also. The purpose and mention, timing, handouts, and Q&A. So that the creating and effective creative evening, there are 4 points there, which are rhetorical questions, problems, amazing, interesting facts, and stories or anecdotes. Okay. That's the outline, yeah. So what are the objectives of our presentation of our meeting today? There are 3 here. By the end of the course, the students are able to create and perform an outline of presentation using the correct choice of various expressions. And the next one, the student you are also able to use some expression of organizing, timing, hands-on, and the questions. Yeah. And the next one, by the end of the course, the students are able to create and perform many types of interesting, effective opening using correct expressions. Okay. Wait a minute. Sorry. So here you can see there what is the purpose of outlining? Okay, you already say, you already answered the question last time. Here, the purpose of opening is not only to let the audience know who you are and what the presentation is about, but it also to briefly how the presentation is structured. Okay, and the outline is a brief description about what you are going to say. Yeah, what you are going to say in the presentation and why. That's the outline. So outline is a brief description. The aim of outlining is to give general idea to the audience so they know what they expect during the presentations. And outlining also help the speaker to deliver clear presentation in structured manner. For example, here, this is the example, right? Example here. Here are your topic. The topic is the English translation service. And your outline here, the brief description from your main topic, English translation service, is art directory here, background information, product description, and also the service. So you tell them the outline of your topic. And here you can use this expression, yeah, the expression of the outline. When you want to tell the audience your outline, so you can use some expressions here. In my presentation, I will focus on 3 major issues. The first one is blah, and second one is blah blah, and the one is blah blah. I begin by explaining the definition of blah blah blah, and the next one. Okay, got it. Welcome, Mr. Fajar. We are waiting. We are waiting for you from. Yeah, where have you been, Mr. Fajar? Okay, in the presentation, we have also to give the audience, we have to tell the audience the timing. Yeah, the timing of your presentation. How many time that you're gonna take in presentation? How many minutes that you're gonna take in presentations? Yeah, and here. It is important to tell the audience how long your presentation will be and how you will provide the material or hands-on. Also, you need to tell the audience when they can ask the questions. Ya, jadi sini tuh untuk untuk biar your audience know how long your presentation will be, so you have to tell them. And a good presentation never take a long time. Only 15 or to 20 minutes. Yeah. For example, here, for the timing, you have to tell them this presentation will not take more than 20 minutes of your time. My presentation will be 15 minutes or 10 minutes. You can use this expression. Yeah. My presentation factor, ya. My presentation will be only 5 to 10 minutes. So the audience know how many times that they will listen to to your presentations. And the hands out. So you have the, if you have the hands out, so you have to tell them also, I have copies of the tables and statistics in this handout. Here you are. Did everyone get the copy? Misal kalian bawa handout-nya gitu atau statistiknya dan kalian sudah copy. You have to make sure that your audience already get it. Yeah, that they already got it. And the last one, Q&A sections. You have also to tell them that there will be a time for question after your presentation or while your presentation. Kayak gitu ya. Any question, everyone? Any question? Kalau ada pertanyaan, silakan bertanya. Kalau nggak ada, I will continue to the next slide.
Next.
Next. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this is outlining in presentation. Yeah, the expression of outlining you can see there. You can use this this expression for your outline to tell your outline to the audience. This morning I'm going to talk about blah blah blah. In this special occasion, I would like to discuss or present about, and I would like to report on in my talk. I will tell you about the subject of my presentation is about blah blah blah. Okay, you can use them in your presentations. And now you have an activity here. Can you see this?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Please complete some sentences there with the word that already there. Okay. For example, perhaps we should begin. Good morning, everyone. It's good to see you all here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Doyen Jones, and I'm the manager of A&B Firms. In this special occasion, I would like to, you have to choose 5 words here, one from 5 words here in one of 5 sentences there. Okay, if you're gonna use so, maybe in this special occasion, I would like to show to you, for example here, I would like to show to you I would like to show to you about the company anniversary project. Got it, ya? Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You just complete the sentences there by using 5 words that already prepared there. Okay. Okay, please. You have 10 minutes, yeah. You have 10 minutes. Is the word clear? Okay. Oh iya. the file will be sent in your group WA ya. The file will be sent in your group WA. I will send to your group.
Dan chat box aja, Pak. Chat box Zoom aja.
Chat box Zoom. Oh, can be ya. Okay, wait a minute. And if I use chat box. Wait a minute. Chat file ya. Okay. Welcome to Mr. Graceback already right?
Yes, sir.
Already done the activity 1. What about the activity 2? You already finished? The activity 2, do you know that? The activity 2?
No. Sir.
No, you can ask
Saya
okay, wait. Later on you can ask your friend, or you can wait here.
Sir.
The activity 1 cannot be sent because it is currently in use. Oh, wait. I have to stop the screen. So. Ya, itu ya. And the file you have your answer file you have to send to my WA to the group WhatsApp group I mean. Okay. Your time is 70 to 50. Yeah. 70 to 50. 10 minutes. Yeah. You have 10 minutes to match the word and the sentences, incomplete sentences. Time is yours, guys. Okay, guys, have you finished? Hello? Hello? Hello, everyone.
Belum, Pak.
Loh, kok
On proses.
ayo, come on. Langsung kirim di grup ya. Langsung kirim di grup sekarang.
Semuanya kan Pak itu, Pak.
Only 15 sentences, incomplete sentence. Okay.
Grupnya yang mana ya?
Allahu Akbar. Grup WA, masa nggak tahu? Wait. After that we will discuss after Maghrib ya, Maghrib. We'll discuss it after Maghrib.
Semalam. Malam Pak Dewangga. Mohon maaf ini saya telat masih di perjalanan Pak.
Oke, it's okay Mas. Oke, it's okay Mas. It's okay.
Ya Pak, makasih Pak.
Okay. You're welcome. Fahrul Rahim already sent the activity 1, the answer of activity 1. Okay, I'm waiting for the others. Halo guys.
Proses mengirim, Pak.
Okay, it's okay. If you have finished the assignment, we can continue the meeting. We continue the material here. Okay, can you see the slide? Okay, after the activity 1, we continue to the next point, which is about the what is creative opening. Guys, do you listen to me? Can you listen my word? Can you hear my word? Hello, 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 hello.
Sure, yes, sir.
If you already finish your prayer, please turn on your camera. Okay, please turn on your camera. I will continue the meeting. Yeah, guys, come on, guys. Mas Fajar ya. Oke. Fahrul Rahim, Huzaifi, Wendy Nur Hermansah, Tegar Muhammad Rifki, Fajar Kurniadi. Oke. Oke, we continue the meeting about creative opening ya. Bagaimana sih membuat opening yang kreatif itu? How to make a creative opening. So here for the first 3 minutes of presentation, di menit pertama, 3 menit pertama dalam presentasi, this is very important. Itu yang paling penting ya. Menit pertama untuk mengengage, untuk menarik perhatian daripada audience. So you have to take 3 minutes there. There are several ways to make an effective. Bagaimana sih caranya? Ada beberapa cara to make an effective and interesting opening. Simple, to get the direct attention to the audience. Okay. The first one, how to make creative opening. The first one, you have to make rhetorical questions, or you have to convey to the audience the rhetorical question. Rhetorical question itu pertanyaan pancingan ya. An effective way to begin a presentation is giving the audience opportunity to think about the questions. Ya, jadi kita berikan satu pertanyaan, satu buah pertanyaan lah untuk mereka, dan mereka akan, biar mereka tuh bisa berpikir atau to think about the question. If you use this technique as your question, wait for a while, 2 or 3 seconds, then continue. This activity provides a chance to engage and make connection with the audience in the beginning of presentation. Jadi rhetorical question itu, pertanyaan retorik ini akan let the audience think about the questions. How are the example of the expression for rhetorical question? Gimana sih contohnya rhetorical question tuh? Here they are. Do we really need market research? Misalnya kalian your topic is about market research maybe. So you can ask them, tanya dengan pertanyaan yang pancingan kayak gitu, to make them more interest ya. So do you really need market research misalnya kayak gitu. Apa kalian benar-benar butuh terkait dengan penelitian market research kayak gitu? Or hands up the one who have experience in bankruptcy kayak gitu. Below are the example. You can use the question ya, rhetorical question. Jadi pertanyaan yang masih berkaitan dengan your topic kayak gitu. Ya sama seperti like what I did in the opening of my presentation here. I asked you about do you know about outlining of presentations? Do you know about the outlining of presentation? Or do you know about what is rhetorical questions? Ya, jadi kayak gitu kita pancing dia terkait dengan topik yang kita punya ini, yang kita akan bahas kayak gitu ya. Kita pancing dengan pertanyaan tersebut. Oke, got it ya, Mas Fajar. I have only one student here, Mas Fajar, that only open the camera, and there is no other. There are no other. Oh ada ya, ada. Yang lain juga ada. Oke, Miss Nurul ya, Mbak Nurul. Jadi kita pancing dengan pertanyaan terkait dengan topik kita kayak gitu untuk menarik perhatian audiens kita. And next, selain untuk membuat apa namanya itu creative opening itu, untuk make the opening more interesting. Selain kita berikan rhetorical question, yang kedua kita berikan, we give them a problems, ya. Ask about the problems, ya, about still which is related to your topic, ya. This part, jadi bagian ini give the audience opportunity also to think about the issues related to the topic of presentations. Misal kalau topik kalian tentang apa, sampah misalnya, ya, tentang pembuangan sampah yang sangat tidak teratur kayak gitu kan. Problemsnya itu apa sih? Kalian bisa memberikan memberikan sebuah masalah terkait dengan pembuangan sampah itu sendiri. Itu ya. Give them the problem, and makanya nanti mereka akan berpikir terkait dengan hal itu. Solusinya apa itu. Have you ever wonder why is that? Imagine misalnya, atau kalian suruh mereka membayangkan satu hal. Imagine you had the reformat of management system. Coba bayangkan jika kalian tuh mereform sebuah sistem manajemen. What would your first move? Apa yang akan kalian lakukan pertama kali? Kayak gitu, ya. Problemsnya misalnya itu. Jadi kalian sudah sampaikan problemsnya. Imagine you had the reformat management system. What would your first move? Okay. Suppose you wish to set up a new construction project. Misalnya kalian membuat satu project construction, how would you go about it? Apa yang akan kalian lakukan setelah itu? Kayak gitu ya. Jadi kalian sampaikan problemsnya, habis itu kalian tanyakan terkait dengan problems tersebut kepada mereka. Kayak gitu ya. The first one rhetorical question. The second one, tell them the problems, ya. The second one, tell them the problems. And the third one, give them an amazing or interesting fact. Ya, kita berikan mereka sebuah fakta yang menarik, ya, yang menarik. Kita berikan sebuah fakta yang menarik terkait dengan topik, ya. Jangan di luar topik itu. Fakta-fakta yang menarik terkait dengan topik yang kalian bahas. Berikan fakta-faktanya. Oh, minggu kemarin saya membaca sebuah buku gitu ya, membaca sebuah penelitian terkait dengan ini dan ini kayak gitu. Akhirnya apa yang menurut kalian bagaimana? What do you know about it? What do you think about it? Misalnya seperti itu. Give them an amazing and interesting topic based on your interesting fact based on your topic, ya. You can see the expression there about the question about the interesting fact, the expression of interesting facts or amazing facts here. Did you know that? Apakah kamu tahu terkait dengan hal ini? According to the latest study, menurut penelitian terbaru, bla bla bla. Statistik shows that, statistiknya itu menunjukkan seperti ini loh. Jadi kalian tunjukkan fakta-fakta yang menarik dan credible, kayak gitu ya. Got it ya? The first one rhetorical questions. The second one, tell them the problems, ya. Tell them the problems. And the third one, give them an interesting facts or amazing fact. Okay. Next. Only 3 ya, only 3. What about anecdote? Here. Okay, for the conclusion here, the conclusion. Maybe Mr. For the conclusion here, you can see there are 2 conclusions for our meeting today. The first one is the aim of opening is not only to introduce the presenter and the topic of presentation, but it also gives insight about how the presentation is structured. Ya. Jadi tujuan daripada opening dalam sebuah presentasi itu tidak hanya memperkenalkan, ya, tidak hanya mengenalkan seorang presenter saja, ya, atau topik yang akan dipresentasikan, tidak, but also give insight about how the presentation is structured. Tapi bagaimana presentasi itu tuh teratur kayak gitu loh, rapi, teratur dan rapi. It functions to give the audience general idea about what speakers are going to say. Itu berfungsi untuk apa? Jadi presentasi yang terstruktur, yang tertata rapi, itu ada openingnya, terus ada outline-nya, kayak gitu ya. Ada ya semacam dalam opening itu ada perkenalan diri, apa yang akan kita bahas, purpose-nya seperti apa, and also the relevant topic of the presentations itu seperti apa, of the topic itu apa. Itu fungsinya untuk memberikan memancing ide-ide audience about what speakers are going to say, terkait dengan apa yang akan dibicarakan oleh pembicara. Oke. They are stated after mentioning the purpose of the presentation. Dan mereka itu semua itu outline-nya itu outline consists of major points that the speaker wants to deliver. Jadi outline itu yang tadi seperti yang kita bahas tadi, dia terdiri dari beberapa poin utama that the speaker wants to deliver, yang akan pembicara sampaikan. And the next one, they are stated after mentioning the purpose of the presentation. Dan apa outline tersebut disampaikan setelah kita speakers itu menyampaikan tujuan daripada presentasi tersebut. Moreover, stating the organization of time, hands-on, and question is also important to let the audience know how long the presentation is and when they can ask the question. Ditambah lagi ya, kita memberitahu memberitahu pada audiens terkait dengan waktu, berapa lama kita akan presentasi, and also the hands out, kita tanya apakah mereka sudah punya kopiannya atau slideshow-nya kita kirim kemana, kayak itu mau kita kirim ke email or the group WA group misalnya seperti itu. And question is also important, dan pertanyaan juga kapan waktunya pertanyaannya is also important to let the audience know, ya. Itu sangat penting untuk biar para audiens itu tahu how long the presentation is, berapa lama presentasi kalian tuh akan berjalan, dan kapan mereka bisa bertanya, ya, kapan mereka bisa bertanya. Jadi kita harus let them know, let the audience know how many time that you gonna take the presentation, or also when they can ask the question in the middle of your presentations or in the end of your presentations. In the next one, interesting or effective openings are important to build the audience interest in the beginning of presentation. Jadi opening yang efektif dan menarik itu sangat penting untuk menumbuhkan ketertarikan para audiens di awal presentasi tersebut. Makanya tadi dibilang in the first 3 minutes, jadi 3 menit pertama dalam opening itu kita benar-benar sangat penting untuk kita gunakan itu untuk menarik perhatian daripada audiens. Okay, there are 4 tabs there: rhetorical question, problems, amazing, interesting fact, or stories or anecdote. Each tab has its function, and the presenter can use one of them, which is suitable with their topic. Using more than one is also acceptable. Ya, jadi setiap tipe tersebut bisa kalian gunakan di dalam presentasi. Untuk membuat presentasi lebih menarik, openingnya lebih menarik, bisa kalian gunakan 1, 2, atau bisa juga lebih. It's also acceptable, bisa diterima. Okay, I think enough for today. Do you have any question, everyone?
Mas, saya izin duluan, Pak.
Oke, Mas Wendy ya. Mas
Ya,
Wendy.
ada perluan, Pak.
Oke, please. Oke, please.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Ya, you're welcome. Do not mention it. Okay, I think enough for today. Udah ya, udah selesai ya waktunya ya, udah habis. Kita absen sedikit ya, sebentar ya. Kita absen sebentar. Soalnya biasanya saya lupa kalau ada yang masuk dan tidaknya. From system information system. This is meeting 4, right? Benar nggak? Is it the 4th meeting? Is it the 4th meeting?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. The 4th meeting in this month. Okay. Fahrul Rahim?
Hadir.
Mana Mas Fahrul Rahim? Oh iya, Mas Fahrul.
Saya hadir.
Oke. Thank you, Mas Fahrul. Adinda Lutfia Balqis.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing? Really?
Really?
Tadi ada ya?
Tadi yang izin kemana gitu.
Oke.
Yang tadi kata Kak Asbak suruh jemput.
Oh. Jadi langsung dia keluar habis itu ya?
Iya.
Oh my God. Jangan-jangan. Jangan-jangan.
Tadi izin kemana tahu?
Sembuh, Mas Doni. Mas Doni tahu nggak kemana orangnya?
Katanya baru jalan.
Aduh.
Tadi lewat depan rumah sih, Pak.
Naik Kulon Progo yo aduh, Mas.
Turun bandara.
Turun bandara. Adinda ya. Jadi dia tadi sempat izin sebentar ya. Sampai akhir ya, bukan sebentar sih. Muhammad Soleh. Of course. Ada. Ada kan?
Present, sir.
Oh, ada lah.
Hadir, sir, hadir.
Oh iya ya, benar ya. Astagfirullahaladzim. Aida. Udah pada ngopi belum? Andrian Satria Karim. Andrian. Andrian nothing ya?
Nothing, sir, nothing.
Does he give information to you, Mr. Soleh?
Kenapa?
Dia kasih konfirmasi ke kamu nggak?
Tidak.
Tidak, oke. Salsa Dwi Agustina juga nggak ada ya? Oke. From TI. Ahmad Nur Yasin udah nggak ada ya? Ahmad Nur Yasin nothing. Dia udah keluar ya, Nur Yasin?
Mbak Nurul, silakan.
Mbak Nurul.
Dalam Ahmad Nur Yasin resign.
Resign ya. Oke. Nanti kasih tahu saya yang sudah keluar ya.
Ya.
Abdul Raka Fadila Alfarezi resign. Mbak Nurul.
Enggak.
Ada orangnya?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oke. Abdullah Huzaifi? Present.
Present, sir.
Oke. Rifki Algi Fauzan?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh my God. Where are they? Muhammad Misbahuddin? Udah nggak ada ya? Misbah ya?
Masih sebenarnya Pak, dulu pertemuan kedua itu masih ikut kuliah sepertinya Pak.
Masih ikut kuliah ya?
Sepertinya loh Pak, kalau nggak salah.
Oke. Nggak ada. Reza Nur Arifin? Reza. Present. Oke. Leoni Firdaus? Leoni mana? Nggak hadir ya? Nggak ada. Ahmad Fauzi? Ahmad Fauzi? Ahmad Fauzi?
Nothing.
Nothing. Topan Firdaus?
Present, sir.
Oh, oke. Okay. And then Fikri Saifullah nggak ada juga ya?
Nothing.
Itu masih aktif nggak?
Siapa tadi, Pak?
Fikri Saifullah.
Masih kan? Belum confirm resign gitu.
Oh, gitu. Oke. Okay. Fadli Marcelo, present.
Present, sir.
Atta Esa Nugraha, present. Doni Wahyudi, present.
Present.
Tinggi Prasetyo? Tinggi.
Present.
Present. Present.
Present. Present.
Oh, iya. Makanya kaget saya. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. Oke. Fajar Kurniadi?
Present, sir.
Oke. Ridwan Prasetya?
Mas Ridwan tadi WA saya Pak, dia bilang katanya nganterin ibunya nyumbang.
Nyumbang? Nyumbang apa?
Nyumbang apa?
Nah, nyumbang itu ke kondangan Pak.
Nggih, ngertos. Nggih. Spianus Gulu almarhum ya. Benar nggak sih?
Iya Pak.
Terus Rifki Setiawan. Mas Rifki?
Tadi katanya di jalan nyebrang, Pak. Nggak tahu nyebrang kayak mana.
Tapi tadi join. Oh iya
Itu join, Pak.
Iya. Oke. Oke, Mas Rifki. Tadi izin duluan kalau nggak salah.
Nyebrang laut kayak.
Eka Prasetya Romadoni. Mas Eka? Nggak ada ya?
Itu udah dari semester 2 kayaknya Pak.
Sudah nggak join ya? Tapi
Iya.
ada
Udah nggak muncul-muncul, tapi nggak ada pemberitahuan bagi auto.
nggak ada konfirmasi ke kampus kan?
Ya, itu.
So I have saya masih harus tulis namanya di sini berarti ya di absen ya. Oke. Samsul Kurniawan, Mas Samsul juga dari awal nggak ada. Dari semester
Ada Pak, itu sampai pertemuan kedua atau ya yang semester 3 itu.
Oh.
Enggak, jarang di mata kuliah lain juga jarang.
Oh gitu. Oke, berarti alpha aja ya terus ya. Oke, thank you so much. Next from EF. If we have only 4 students here ya. Wendy Nur Hermansa present. Tegar Muhammad Rifki present. Aldi Setiawan
Present, sir.
oke. Nurul Fauziah present. Oke, paling aktif nih.
Akademik.
Okay, thank you very much.
Kak.
This meeting ya.
Cuti.
See you next week.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
Okay.
Mbak Nurul silakan. Tadi
Oke, Mbak Nurul, gimana Mbak Nurul?
Itu kan tadi Bapak nggak sebutin Kak Rizky Gilang. Nur mau kasih Kak Rizky Gilang itu cuti.
Rizky Gilang Wijaya.
Iya.
Itu yang mana? Kelas IF ya?
Sakit.
I already delete his name. Okay, later on. Sorry. So later on I will let it again ya. Rizky Aldi Setiawan ya? Kok Rizky Aldi Setiawan sih?
Rizky Gilang Wijaya.
Mas Fajar. Rizky Gilang Wijaya. Saya tulis sekarang aja biar enggak lupa. Rizky ini IF.
Iya, Pak.
Rizky Gilang Wijaya, dia sakit ya? Cuti ya? Cuti. Saya kasih warna kuning. Oke, Rizky Gilang Wijaya. Okay, thank you Mbak Nurul from the academic.
Mr. Grabek minta di absen, Pak.
Grabek disebut yang benar.
Mr. Grabek. Siapa Mr. Grabek? Mr. Grabek. Oh, lagi.
Nah, itu dia.
Oh, no.
Saya biasa enggak. Iya.
Enggak apa-apa, dia enggak usah di absen.
Saya manggilnya Grabek, Pak. Mau pindah karyawan dia, Pak.
Oh.
Pindah karyawan.
Jangan. Enggak rame nanti kelas.
Iya. Pak, dia nanya di bal, Pak.
Goblok.
Ini gue lagi unik.
Lagi di kampus ya? Bareng ya?
Iya, Pak.
Yes.
Lagi persiapan startup nih, Pak. Dukung dong.
Apa?
Persiapan startup, Pak.
Startup.
Mantap.
Pak.
Oh ya, I know. Ya, saya dapat kabar sih kalau mau ada startup competition ya.
Iya, Pak.
Emang sudah siapa aja nih yang mau join dari kelas sore sama kelas pagi, Mas? Sudah ada timnya nih?
Kali aja kelas sore mau ikut gabung.
Benar.
Kalau bisa yang mobile lah, kita kurang mobile.
Tuh. Mas Fajar tuh jago tuh, Mas Fajar, terus Mas Doni, itu Pak Doni tuh luar biasa tuh. Mas Aldi, Setiawan tuh. Orang-orang luar biasa semuanya nih.
Ayo Bang, gabung Bang.
Ayo gabung ya, teman-teman yang mau join startup competitions ya. Please join ya. Siapa tahu punya ide-ide yang menarik dalam untuk startup nanti. Semangat semuanya. Good luck. Ya. Good luck semuanya. Apalagi Mas Marcelo tuh juga tuh bagus tuh, Marcelo Manalu tuh, Mas Fadli.
Thank you, sir.
Itu dia aja Mas Grasberg. Mas.
Ayo Bang.
Siapa nanti saya kabarin, Pak.
Oke, itu bagus tuh. Oke, mungkin itu saja. Good luck for your competitions and see you next week. And for the activity too, I will send to WA group ya. Oke. Yang belum selesai tadi, semuanya yang belum selesai, silakan diselesaikan dan kirim ke saya sebelum saya kirim activity itunya ya. Thank you so much. Let's open your camera first. Let's open your camera. I'll screenshot. Mana dong? Tuh.
Izin, udah salah duluan.
Enaknya kalau kayak gini pas ngajar gitu ya. Ada nyala semua kameranya tuh enak. Pembelajaran tuh enak. Come on. Mas Soleh, Mas Fadli, nyalain kameranya Fadli sebentar saja ya, sebentar saja. Mas Tegar Mas Soleh. Reza Nur Arifin CS.
Kak Eja lagi sholat.
Oh, di kampus juga Mas Reza.
Iya.
Wow, sampai malam di kampus.
Sampai akul ini habis, Pak.
Oh, habis ini langsung pulang begitu.
Iya, itu dia.
Iya. Oke. Oke, yang lain dulu. Sebentar biar pada segera pulang, jangan lupa makan nanti. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Oke, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yang bisa ikut startup competition silakan ikut. Siapa tahu bisa menjadi next career of you, ya.
Min.
Semangat.
Min.
Salam Om Twister tuh. Itu ngomong apa itu? Bye-bye everyone.
Here.
Jar, gimana Jar?
Oh, kan silakan.
Lagi butuh tim mobile nih.
Kan udah ada Ridwan, tadi kan udah kontak Ridwan.
Iya, enggak, Mas.
Ayo Bang, gabung Bang.
Enggak Bang Ridwan doang.
Aku capek.
Kan nanti di yang lain-lainnya bisa loh.
Pusing loh. Aku takutin nanti mau jadi balik kan kerja terus pulang.
Kalau apa?
Kalau ikut nanti takutnya malah jadi beban loh. Kan kerja terus balik kerja capek. Nanti kasihan teman-teman yang udah maksimal terus